Enabling multi-factor authentication MFA on Joule assets enhances the security of your account by requiring additional verification steps. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Joule Assets platform by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection to protect your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the Security Settings option, which will allow you to manage your authentication methods. Step 3. Select Multi-Factor Authentication. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your MFA method. Select your preferred method for MFA. Common options include receiving a code via SMS, using an authenticator app, or email verification. Follow the prompts to configure your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your MFA method, you will typically need to confirm it by entering a code sent to your device. Once confirmed, save your changes to activate MFA on your account. By following these steps, you can successfully enable multi-factor authentication on Joule assets, significantly improving your account's security. Remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.